Kung criminal trial to, yes, necessary yun.
Mm-mm.
Absolutely necessary yun, yung testimonya ni Madriaga. But in the impeachment trial, ang importante is yung testimony na makapagsasabi that there was a misuse of confidential funds. At yung witness na yon should be someone with authority to say that it was misused. Kasi kung si Madriaga lang ang magsasabi nun,
Oo.
wala naman siyang, who is he? Who is he to say na merong misuse doon, di ba?
Oo.
In fact, kasama nga siya doon eh.
Oo nga.
Doon sa problema na yun eh.
Mm-mm.
So ang hinahanap natin, particularly yung mga senator judges, ang hinahanap nila is an authority to say na meron ngang misuse of confidential funds.
Oo.
So sino yung authority na yun? The prosecution must provide that.
Oo nga.